Canva is a free alternative to Photoshop, especially if you don't have a ton of money, and if you don't want to sail the seas. What makes Canva super user-friendly is the massive library of design templates. You can just scroll through, pick something, and edit it to make your workflow way quicker. And what makes it even cooler is the apps inside Canva. They give you extra tools to take your designs to the next level. Let me show you a few of the best ones. The first one is TypeGradient. It helps you create gradient text. Simple, but it makes your designs look a lot more professional. TypeCraft. This one lets you bend, twist, and warp your text into unique shapes. It's perfect for creating fun titles or experimental designs. Next is Tracer. It lets you trace pictures inside your design. Pretty useful if you know how to use it right. And finally, Brandfetch. This one's awesome if you work with brands. Just type a website and it fetches their logo, colors, and branding instantly. Super quick, super easy. And there is one more thing.
Deploying flashbang.